Here is one of the doors for the Seymour bookcase, and it has these moldings, these fluted moldings already installed. I've glued them in, as you can see, and there's horizontal pieces here that are mitered down here at the bottom, and then there's another horizontal piece that connects with the V grooves, little V joint where these moldings connect. And also there are these little capitals, and they have to be installed during this process. These are, then up here at the top I've applied veneer. It's a satin wood figured veneer, and it's on a diagonal grain. These curved moldings up here in the top, in these Gothic arches, are more difficult than the straight pieces of molding. Now I'm making these by hand with a little scratch stock that I cut. They're much harder to do those curved ones than to do the straight ones. So now I'm getting ready to apply these moldings to the second door, and there's a process that I found beneficial in doing this. The first step was applying these little capitals, again with hot hide glue, in these 4 places up here. And then the next step is to position this bottom straight piece. It's mitered, so I cut miters down here, and then I can glue that down to the frame. After that, I can apply these long pieces between the capital and the miter joint down at the bottom, so I can accurately cut. But then there's a joint right here with a horizontal molding. There's a V cut that has to be positioned in that long piece. Then also the same thing done on the other side. In getting those installed, I glue them down. Now I can position this piece and cut the V shape on each end to fit in the notch, but it has some V cuts, notches in it for the 2 middle vertical pieces. So I can position all those cuts and then go ahead and cut these longer pieces and glue them down to the ribs. So there's quite a process to this in getting these pieces fitted together